How to fix iPhone battery draining fast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery. Here, go ahead and see the last 24 hours and 10 days and identify the apps using high background battery, and you can then go ahead and restrict or uninstall unnecessary apps from there. Next, in settings again, tap on battery and then enable low power mode, as this will reduce background activity and help you in saving your battery. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then tap on background app refresh. Here, go ahead and completely disable background app refresh, or you can set it to Wi-Fi only. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again, tap on cellular and then on voice and data. Here, select 4G or LTE instead of 5G if the battery is draining way too quickly, and make sure to turn off mobile data in poor signal areas. The next fix is in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on display and text size. Here, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for auto brightness. Go a step back and tap on the motion option you see there in accessibility and toggle on the toggle button for reduce motion. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in settings again, tap on privacy and security and then on location services. Further, go ahead and set most of the apps to while using the app and turn off location for unused apps. Also, make sure to turn off unused features such as Bluetooth when not needed, AirDrop, and then set it to receiving off, and then go ahead and disable VPN if you are not using it, and make sure to remove widgets that might occupy higher battery. Last but not the least, you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in clearing background bugs. Further, open settings and tap on apps and then tap on mail and then tap on mail accounts. Here, tap on fetch new data and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for push. Also, go ahead and set fetch to manually. Also, lastly, go ahead and go back to settings and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Here, if the maximum capacity is below 80%, then the fast drain of your battery is completely normal and you might need a battery replacement. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone battery draining way too fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.